Ki Samla wat kampulet ki bala pendep iki exam jongki hau jemang arhajar arpusan hakah nyau tarik risau kila tur sho Ophis terekam ke Central Recruitment Board ka badan ha maulai mauro. Kani kejinit tur kalong hadien bakaladon kejingkular na ke Central Recruitment Board hakah khatsan tarik jeliu arhajar arpusan baan pelaj aka result jongka written examination hapo lai benai. Haka jinglit tur ki Samla syakate kejaka la sertap ru de ki bor pulit ki bayale bante lakam banemi kanu ka huri hura. Hadu bala pelat ya kanika Khubor ki Samla kita ngale ban yo yakran ber ki bor penyat ke Central Recruitment Board kamtam yo chairman Dalton Marak khnang ban yo jing shai halor ki daw ki bala penslam ban penmi ya ka result jong ka written examination.
We understand your problem also. We understand very well. Like that reference, like that you feel it. And to explain it, हमने explain it. Ali ये berapa ni? Nah, ini perlu buat. Lili Ali, bapa Ali want makan. Makan pakai nama orang experience buat dia. Wala kemarin. Apa cakap ni orang punya dua malam apa? Dia dengan pakai ni feedback. Kalau ada different bati authority apa ayu, kiong bakal ni long process. Kami tang start na aspangon. Dikilak, dikilale corrections, kilade play corrections. Kita kan yang ki papers ben hab corrections or kiong ka result kini season kini. What taruh lagi kita ini sana kalian jangka member pengen lah mesti sangat. Nang bat ni atin sai ke tiap deh. Dia pun nona. Yang tapi dia tang sangat itu ni lagi penting tin batai fi. You have got the rights to know also deh. Tidak kau bantu. Ini lah mesti itu bisa batai fi. Long am? Jadi mesti sangat.
CRP. Kani jingon ne kendu jini mata kada song apa pergi aspirant semua di applicants ikwa bonong bonjo jingtip kan kamre ka protes tambang iwan tang mangin yo jingtip lanu mo kata result ini yo marila syia aptrang lanu ini yo normal tong ka diri ta kala diri ni long niskuatip ka jingtip terus sisa
mbak kan benar kala dili ai bisa ka result
minta te ka ayo lai benai la tam
te jing sya kati kan benar ban pemi kata result mentak ayat kan benar pak
ka bonong kan benai te ki kampentip mah kan benai ni yo ka results te komi home minister buron te ilaong ni ba hapo lai benai ni pendap ka results te tambah lai benai te kala tam te kumbang yo kran ni bisa Dalton Marak ila kran bagani ka recruitment company na ka MLP kadai na ka company ni baka sim kaslam na ki
Pila semua hun ni kita jing cuba nama tak jing keli jong pi kong candidate.
Hoi, ya kata tang ila hun mah. Bani boong bersyuskap on suja te. Ila hun ni ka cuba ya ni. Sama ta kunum noi ong ba by October ni November ko pun ka interview ba ka result set try ila ban pendap
kat kum ke jing sem ke jong pi rengkat bagi para baya wan le ini kan PET bagi written test. Pismo kumno ba pidong jengmot pidong jengkermen makin la pass.
Oh, ya kata kadon bi gajeng kerban iki bayukun hot bayukun hop nomor ba nganget bakan ka recruitment menta kalong transparan ni nomor kamdan menta ki iki te kumni para bayukun tengi tip ba bayukun hop ni tristom indio ba la kanong de
ta kajing ya kran jong phi ko am phi yo nam kanu ka assurance ai habe dei ba kan ya kajing phi yo nam kanu ka assurance na po ajing ya kran ba PCR
ya kata te ya ke bakram ini tengi laukun mo kata nomor im objek im era nomor di aplikasi ni stu ba bang ni hon ba ke ba mo ki nomor ni kung pa tengi tip im don ha Khubor mo ni tip itu tambah ngangit sekali ba kamu ba mo ida kadang ni ya hon
bila apa saya kung kita kiba kung ang pihon kajing kran yo kita
ang gumno kumbang samarat ya kata ka iong hi mangiru bakan ka recruitment menta kolong transparan bakam don kita ki yung tahu senam negi senam bud te nganget pa nani sakmat ru ikini results ke bukan sawan ru kan long fair ni banganget scam hi kata kolong menta
By the candidates.
Yeah. Good to have you today. You want to know in regard to these matters pertaining to Meghalaya Police recruitment process. The final stage of preparation to declare the result is on, and then the candidates today wanted to know when the written results will be declared. So we have explained to them that throughout this recruitment event, we have received around 172,000 applications. Out of it, around 128,000 candidates take part in the running the physical efficiency tests, and finally around 58,000 candidates have qualified, and they some of them came to appear in the written tests with few absentees. In total, around 54,000 candidates have appeared in the written tests. So right now, the firm which is engaged for conducting this written tests and the whole process of recruitment, they are processing the preparation of the result sheets. They are also handling a huge data of around 54,000 candidates, reading the OMR sheets where the answers are given. So they are taking some time to declare, but hopefully very soon we will be able to declare the results. As soon as they are able to submit the final result or the statement of the written exam, then CRB in a position to declare the results. Right now it is not possible to give you the exact date, but hopefully within this month or by next month we should be able to give the declaration of the results and start the interview for the selected candidates. They wanted to know all this, so we have explained to them the position, and they appear to be satisfied with that explanation. Yeah, if anybody has any queries, any doubts or any questions regarding the ongoing process of recruitment, you're welcome to come to CRB office or to come and meet me. I'm available in the police headquarters, and the CRB office is here, so I can be available here also if anybody want to meet me in person. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, sir, we understand also that the PET, the PET, has to be compulsory taken.
Yes, physical efficiency test is compulsory. Only those who qualify in the physical efficiency test, they are selected to go for the written test.
there are more than 50,000 who are eligible for the written test.
Yeah, around 58,000 candidates have qualified in the physical efficiency test. And finally, in the written test, around 54,000 candidates have appeared. And now the checking is going on, tabulation for the marks of that 54,000 candidates.
So more or less, the boys who came to meet you today and inquire, they are satisfied with the answers that you gave them.
Yeah, they say they are satisfied because this is a very transparent process. Written test, there are 3 copies of OMR sheets. First main copy, then second duplicate copy, and then third triplicate copy. The first copy is taken for the company to do the scanning and assessment of the marks for the written. Then second copy is kept with CRB, and then third copy is with the candidates. And then we also declare the publish the answer keys for all these questions, so they can compare. The candidates are able to compare and see how much marks they would be scoring in the written test. So they already have got the marks of the PET, and then they also are able to calculate their own written tests, comparing with the answer keys published. So they are able to know how much they would be scoring. So, but only thing is they are not able to know how much the highest score would be or lowest score would be among the candidates. That is the only knowledge they don't know, and that is being prepared by the firm engaged for this work, and then they will give that statement, and once it comes to us, then we will publish it.
Yeah, so and one thing, I'm sorry if I've missed, but the candidates, they've mentioned that the results should be out in 3 months, but now it has been taken 4 months. But can you please clarify on that, sir?
It takes time. We are dependent on the firm, the contractor. So they have taken little extra time. We were hoping to declare it the complete final result by first week of September. Our target date was 1st September. However, there is little delay from their part. That is why this delay. But then it will not be delayed further. Hopefully within this month or next month, we should be able to declare it and call for the interview of all the selected successful candidates.